Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Naomi. If you've never seen me before, welcome to my channel. I'm a YouTuber based in Nigeria. I do both beauty vlogs and lifestyle, and I also talk about business here and there. And the only reason why I'm very passionate about business because I'm an entrepreneur, and I also have a degree in accounting and finance from university in Lagos. Alright, thank you so much for tuning in. So this video is sort of like a rant because I have a lot of things on my mind I really want to talk to you guys about. So if you're not interested in listening to anybody just ranting, you can as well exit this video. But if you're interested, you really want to see what I want to rant about, please keep on watching. And the only way to get the full gist is to watch till the end. Alright, give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and if you kind of like relate with what I'm talking about. Don't forget to leave your thoughts below in the comment section. And yeah, let's get into this. Welcome back, guys. Alright, so I really want to talk about business. If you have a 9 to 5, it's cool. A lot of people have been going through different kind of struggle with businesses, and some people have even had to back out, like stop doing their little side hustle completely because they felt like maybe it wasn't just their thing anymore, or it's not their calling. A lot of people feel like they don't have a calling to sell anything. I feel like everybody at one point in our life we've sold something or even advertised something, a product, to a family member or a friend or something like that. So now some of us have decided to, cash out or just make our passion, turn it into a business. And now we are faced with this issue with clients and people, because something recently have happened, and I will not even lie, I'm pained and pissed at people that call themselves our friends. Instead of them supporting your business, they try as much as they can to bring it down, whether they know it or not, or they are doing it intentionally or not. I'm going to state out these things that they do, whether they know it or not. And if you're one of those persons and you're watching this video, I'd like you to really change your mindset about it, because it doesn't help anybody. It's not helping your friend. Like, why would you not support your friend who has a shoe business, or who is selling a slipper, or who is selling lashes, but you want them to give you for free because people are friends? I don't understand how it doesn't even make any sense. If she wants to give you the lashes for free, let it come from her heart, let her do it. But anytime you think about lashes, and your friend sells a pair of lashes, or she has a lash line, God, carry your money and go and pay. Don't be expecting favors, because she's not getting those things for free. The company that is manufacturing the lashes for her, she's not just telling her give me lashes and they'll give her and ship it all the way from wherever they are doing it. She's paying money for it. So why is it that when it comes to you, the day you need 3D lashes or 6D lashes, you remember your friend? Oh, okay, your friend. But when you have money, you go somewhere else to buy. Why do people even behave like that? Like, honestly speaking, it has been like a norm here in Nigeria. I don't know about anywhere in the world. This is where I stay, and I'm really trying to address this matter. Like, why can't you just receive sense and say, oh, okay, I'm going to pay for the lashes? Okay, if you're buying 2 or 3 or 4, and because you people have a relationship, and she decides to say, okay, you know what, don't worry about shipping, I will send it directly to your house, and even maybe she might even put a pair of lashes for you. All of that is up to her. It's not up to you anymore. As long as you're making a purchase, guy, carry your money. Don't be expecting favors and handouts and whatever. All of these things will destroy people's businesses. And if you're not careful as a business person, you feel like, oh, let me do it now, let me do it for her. Oh, I don't want to lose customer. At the end of the day, man, you'll be out of business, because you will not have anything to offer these people. And when that time comes, believe me, they'll go and find somebody else and they will pay them for these things, and you will be left out, and you feel like, oh, maybe business is not for me. But then there are your friends and people that know you personally that have really helped in bringing down your business. The next thing I really want to talk about is having a standard, having a structure, because another thing is your friends will only see you for who you are or what you are. Like, she's not my friend, I know her now, if I call her now she'll give me, don't worry, now I'm going to use myself for example, she never reached that level. Like, they still look at you with that eye. I don't know if you guys, if you know what I'm talking about, please drop a comment in the comment section. Like, it's so annoying because they just keep thinking, it's the same person, like, you haven't changed. A lot has changed with me. A lot has changed, literally. Like, Every day we go through changes. Why do you think I'm still the same person I was yesterday or 3 years ago? I've started a new business. Definitely you need to have structure. You need to push some certain structures in place. It doesn't apply to only people you don't know. It applies to everybody, including your family members, including your friends. Those standards, you shouldn't drop them. Believe me when I say it, you have to have a structure. For example, I will use myself as an example. I'm a makeup artist, so now I know I have a price rate or a charge rate, and if you approach me and say, oh, I want to do makeup, how much do you charge for this, I have a price list I will send to you, so you specifically see how much I charge for this and how much I charge for that. That's like a structure. That's one structure. It could be you having a website and putting a page. It's like somebody walking into a supermarket, and then obviously you know there is a price tag for every little pin. Even the last pin in that supermarket, there is a price tag. All right, now if there's not a price tag, you see them take it to somewhere in their office and go and check for the price of that thing. So it's the same thing. Your business have to have a structure. That way they will see you and respect your business for that. I know there are people that they have swear for them that even though there is standard, there is structure, they still want to break all that rules and just walk in as if, oh, I know her now, I know her now. No, you have to stop it. If it means cutting off those type of friends that are trying to bring down your business, and see, they're not good for you, because friends are actually supposed to help you, build you up. You guys are supposed to build each other up and help each other. Now if you've been in business, if you guys have been friends for what, 10 decades, and there is nothing, she's not benefiting you or he is not benefiting you in any way, they are not trying to support you or help you, see, like Whiskey said, bad energy, stay far away. Like honestly, we don't have beef, or I don't hate you or whatever, but I just don't fuck with you anymore. Excuse me if I have to use that word. Like honestly, it is what it is. Like you will have to let some people go, break some of these things and just move forward, because at the end of the day, your future is so bright. Your business is going to get way better without these people. Alright, so put up a standard. Let them know. Whether they come to you, somebody say, oh, I want to do makeup, I say, oh, I charge 10,000 naira. Somebody say, hey, would you take 5? I say, no, it's 10,000 naira I charge. And they say, okay, but we are 5, but we are 3. Or God, makeup artists, you guys know what I'm talking about. Every time a client tell you we are 5, we are 3, the moment you bring down your price just because of that fact, you just shot yourself in your own foot, because if you get there, it will surprise you that it's just one person that you want to do makeup for, and at the end of the day, you've already reduced your price to 5,000, so you are going to do makeup for one person for 5,000, and you come back home feeling so sad, regretting like, why did I do it? So never ever compromise, never ever give a discount for anything, except let it be like your very last resort for anything. Don't let it be the first thing you want to put up front, because somebody say, oh, we're 2, oh, we're 3, and why can't you reduce the price? I'm sorry, I'm not a makeup artist for everybody. I can't do, literally speaking, I can't do makeup for everybody. Yeah, your ideal clients will come to you, then you know the people that your business is catering for, and you will not have headache about other people. Like the headache will drastically reduce. This doesn't mean that it will stop, it will reduce, and it will just help you understand where your business is going, to give your business like a drive, a goal. Like a lot of people still don't, their business, there is no drive, there's no goal. What do you want to achieve in the next 2-3 years? You don't even know. You're just selling that lashes. You're just selling lashes. What's your plan? What's your goal? If you have a goal and you wake up every morning and you're thinking about it, you will not let anybody come and tell you, give me lashes first, I'll pay you tomorrow, or give me lipstick, I'll pay you next tomorrow, and then you start drawing the money. No, 1,000 times no. You will not let that happen. So if you have a structure, please respect it. Your no should be no, and your yes should be yes. You should be able to stand on your word. I'm sorry, I can't do this. It's not about being rude or about being angry or something. I won't do that to say no. You just have to state it very clearly. They have to understand that this is you. The value that is placed on something will tell you how important that thing is. So if your friends don't, they argue with your price every time, or clients in general argue with your client, you will just know that, oh, this argue with your price, excuse me, you will just know that this one is not my ideal client. It is what it is, right? So standard, you have to have standard. You have to have standard in your business, whether it's small, whether it's big, whether you just started yesterday. If you don't know what these things are, there are tons of master classes online, people trying to teach you about business and the little strategies, things you can put in place, business how do I call it, business model that you can, you know, apply in your business. Register for these classes, get this knowledge. It will help you. It doesn't matter how small your business is, it doesn't matter what level of business you are right now, or what kind of business you're into. You have to have standard. Like, you have to control the conversation from the moment a client reaches out to you. You have to be the, don't leave the conversation to them, don't let them be the one controlling it. Now they are in your boat, you are the captain. You have to how do I say now, sail the ship, okay? They should respect that this is your business and it has a standard, and nobody, you're not ready to compromise for anybody except you want to, not because they are asking you for, not because they demand it. Do you understand? Because most of these people, they actually have businesses of their own, and believe me, if you walk into their shop today, whether they are selling pencil for 15 naira, you tell them, because I'm your friend, give me now. They'll tell you, for what? Are you the one paying shop rent for them? How will they pay this? How will they pay that? You'll be very, very surprised. They won't do the same favors that they're asking you to do for them. So let's think about it. Is their business more important than your own? Is their business more special than your own? Do you see? I feel like that's just being outright, that's just being really, really selfish, because people want favors from you that they will not give in return. Believe me. Alright guys, so that's my little rant. I'll try to choose my words very carefully so that I don't offend anybody watching this video or anybody from any. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you're able to learn something from this video, and yeah, catch you guys later. Bye. Mwah.